So now that we have seen how to create basic slides like this, where you have the line under the action title, the company logo, and the parts for each. So like you have the strategy as well. So like you can see, if you go on the slides, it will look like this. So now I will show you some extra things that you can also set by using Slidemaster, which I think are really nice. So here you can set the font of the presentation. It's really important that you have strict, straight, same font all on your slides. It's more professional, it's more easily to understand. What I usually do is I click here and then you can set the font. You can set the font to Avenir. And then if you click here, that's the second custom, that's also Avenir. And then it's both like this. And then if you come here, it should also be Avenir. You can check at the home. See? So it's Avenir. And it's Avenir on all of the slides. So that's how you can edit it. Another way to edit it is by going to home and editing it as you would on a normal slide. Then you can set a body, and then on all of the slides it also changes to a body. Because remember, in the last video we agreed that if you set anything on the first slide, it will also be set on the other slides such a way. And as you can see here, you can't change it anymore. So whatever you've set here, you cannot change it. So those are other things amongst the basic slide layout that you can set: the font, as well as the colors. So here you can customize the color palette. You can set the text background, the accents. I will just show you one crazy example. So for instance, for accent 1, you can set it to really light blue, like this, and then save it. And then when you go to home, and let's say you want to color the text, you will see here that now this part is that blue that you've set. So what you can do here, and you can see that it also affected this shape because it was previously colored the same. So everyone that was colored in that blue, that now you've set to a lighter blue, to a different accent, will be recolored. This is good because then it gives you a way to kind of finalize your color palette, and then everyone will work with the same colors as you do. But there is another way to do this, and it's more common to use that function or that trick. So what you can do as well is just have like 3 little squares or dots on the slide. I will just use 3. I recommend using 3 colors for the presentation. It's easier to understand and to see through. And then you set 3 basic colors. These will be the basic colors of your presentation. And then because you've added it to the first slide, it will also automatically appear next to the other slides as well. And then when you are editing a slide, they are here. And what you can do is really easy. You will just grab, let's say, this one, add it here, and then you click on Shape Fill, eyedropper, and then poof, you have it in the color that you wanted it in. So these are some extra functions that the Slidemaster can give you, besides the opportunity to set the basic slide layouts, which you can reach from the new slide function. And it's important to name them accordingly because you do not want to confuse the analysis slides with the strategy ones, and that's why you have to name them. But apart from that, you can also set the basic font of the presentation, and you can also set the color scheme in 2 ways.